Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making grilled honey garlic glazed salmon. So first we're going to start with making our glaze. I use brown sugar and I'm also using some real 100% honey. Now I'm just going to season up with a little bit of seasonings. I will have everything listed down below in the description box. I just used some garlic powder, onion powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, and also some chili flakes. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some minced garlic and also some roasted ginger for more flavor. Now let's mix that together, cover it up, and put it to the side while we move on. Now for my salmon, I just seasoned it with a little bit of sea salt, chili powder, and black pepper. Use a little oil. I am going to grill this for at least 4 to 5 minutes each side and then check it. Cook it on indirect heat until it's fully cooked. And now moving it to indirect heat, we're going to add our glaze, close it, let it smoke for 2 to 3 minutes, and voila, so easy. If you decide to make this, please be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines. Also like, comment, and subscribe.